The next thing we're gonna make is a classic sort of shrimp scampi.
Okay.
Have you made shrimp scampi before?
No, I don't.
But you like it, right?
Oh, I'll eat it.
All right, so we got some fresh linguine. It's almost done, but I'm just gonna leave it in the water for a sec. Just kind of put it back here. So you got a big pan. I'm gonna let that warm up for a second, right? You can grab a little bit of olive oil over on that side right there.
That's this one?
Yes, that one.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, a little bit of olive oil. There you go. Go ahead, I'll tell you when. Done. Boom.
Okay.
All right, and then we're gonna add a little bit, probably 2 tablespoons
Of real butter.
of real butter. It's 50-50, okay? Okay, so we got the olive oil and the butter here, right? I got some shallots here. Are you good at chopping?
No.
So I'll chop the stuff up, right? You got a little bit of garlic here, all right? All right, so you got a nice kind of oniony base here, right? All right, it's gonna get real floral once you start to saute it up. Okay, saute this first for your base. Okay, like that. You grab a spoon and just come around and just give that stuff a little stir.
Okay.
Like that. Okay.
I can handle that.
Does that smell great?
Yes.
Okay, so this
We
is the
need
base.
smell-o-vision. There you go.
Okay, then we're gonna take a tad of chili flake in this too. Just enough to warm your tongue up a tad.
So about how long would you say between throwing the garlic in and letting it cook does it take to actually get to that point?
Yeah, I think this will probably take, I don't know, 3 or 4 minutes. We're done. Can you see that?
Yeah.
See the great color in that? Isn't that beautiful?
Oh, yeah.
All right, so now what we're gonna do, all right, Claire, would you come back around here?
Sure.
And grab your beautiful Louisiana shrimp and just toss it right in there.
Okay.
Okay, a little bit of salt on top of that. Okay.
You
See
can almost eat it like that.
Good, man. All right, then we're gonna take it out because right now it's perfect and juicy. Okay, so now we got this. Now we're gonna go for a white wine lemon juice base, right? So you got the bottle of white wine right there?
Okay.
All right.
That's good?
All right, a little more, tad more. All right, perfect. So we're gonna take, all right, juice of half a lemon. Okay, so we're gonna let this start to cook down just a tad and let this kind of thicken up on its own. And when it's almost done, I'm gonna take another pat of butter, swirl it in, let it thicken up slightly.
Okay, sounds good to me.
Really, really, really good. All right, so this will probably take, I don't know, like 2 minutes or so.
Okay.
Got a little bit of olive oil. All right, and this is gonna help thicken it as well, right? A
And
little
it's
bit of,
healthy.
that's very healthy, exactly right. That's really, really good. But the butter,
Well, do what the heck.
nah, yeah, what the heck. Okay.
You gotta have something good in life.
Exactly right, yeah. All right, swirl it around.
Smells so good.
Off the hook. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, right? I'm gonna take the shrimp, we saute with the garlic, I'll fold that back in. All right, so now we're just gonna let this kind of simmer, let this kind of come up to temperature like that. All right, so before we throw the pasta in, I'm gonna take some fresh parsley. What I like to do, just give it a little haircut like this, shave off some pieces,
Okay.
roll it up real tight in a bundle. All right, so lots of fresh parsley, that looks amazing.
Fantastic.
Isn't that great? Okay. Like that. I'll take a linguine. Nice big handful of pasta.
Now, do you cook the linguine all the way till it's completely tender, or do
Yeah.
you leave it? Okay.
All right, boom. Okay, so we got our pasta. I'm just gonna fold this over, fold this over. And the shrimp is perfect.
Mm-hmm.
So now what we're gonna do is take this pan, and that, my lady, my shrimp lady, the shrimp scampi.
Looks fantastic.